Hello there. Today we are going to address the question, what is pi? Because we are going to start using pi a lot more frequently in class. Now, we often know that pi is estimated as 3.14. And so what I want to do is take a look at why is it 3.14, so that way when we're crunching numbers we get it. Now technically it goes on forever. It's an irrational number. Pi itself is a ratio. And so this year we've seen that a lot of things are ratio, whether it be a slope, so how far something is going, a line's going up and then going over. We've seen probability is a ratio of the desired outcomes you want over the possible number of outcomes. And pi is also another ratio. It is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. And so what that means, if you're not familiar with this terminology, is a circumference is how far along circle is going around it. So if you needed a piece of string to go around a circle, how long would that be? The diameter is a line going across the circle from one end to the other end going through the center. And so we're going to see that when we take the circumference and we divide it by the diameter, it's going to be about 3.14, and I got a neat little trick to show you that. And to do that, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use this nice kitchen utensil holder to show you how this all works. So first, let me get rid of all the utensils. Second, let me get a piece of string so we can go around it and find the circumference. And so we'll take a piece of string, go around it, try to find the circumference the best we can. This is not going to be perfect, but it'll get the job done. So what I'm going to do here is make a little line so I know to cut there. All right, so right about here is where I want to cut. All right, good. So get my scissors. Cut. All right, very good. So now this is the circumference. This is how long a piece of string literally is to go around that circle. And so what I need to do now is find the diameter of this. And so to do that, I'll put my string on one end, put my thumb on it, do the best I can to go right through the center. Might be a little bit off here. Nothing's perfect in the real world. And then I'm going to cut it. And so the circumference divided by the diameter goes into the circumference at least once. I'm going to repeat this process again. So find that spot right there. Find that spot right there. Cut it one more time. So the diameter now goes into the circumference at least twice. Go one more time, right there. Make sure it's going through the center, give or take. And I cut it right there. And we take a look at it. We took that one piece of string that went all the way around, and it has gone, and we cut it across the diameter 1, 2, 3 times with a little bit left over. And so that's why pi is roughly 3.14. And so whenever we want to use a decimal approximate for pi, we say 3.14. So hopefully this helped explain why pi is what it is, where it comes from, and what it actually is, which is this ratio of circumference over diameter.